how to upload 3-minute Instagram Reels. If you want to upload a reel that is longer than 1 minute up to 3 minutes, well, previously what used to happen was it would crop the reel in under 1 minute and 59 seconds, right? Assuming that. So that was the case before, but now Instagram will allow us to upload longer reels as well. So what you have to do is go ahead and then open Instagram, but before you do that, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Go to your Play Store, App Store, search for Instagram. If you see an update button there, go ahead and then make sure to update it, and then simply open the Instagram app and you will see this type of option. Now tap the plus icon from the bottom and then just go to the Reels tab as you would normally do. Now simply go ahead and then select the reel that you would like to upload right here. So if that reel is, let's say, longer than 3 minutes as well, that's not an issue. You can just select that reel and you can see it will basically, it says it will be cropped until 3 minutes. So now Instagram will allow us to add up to 3-minute reels. So now you can go ahead and then basically upload 3-minute Instagram reels without any issues. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.